This video is about Amazon affiliates. There are a lot of affiliation out there that you can join, but I am choosing Amazon for now. I might join others in the future, but this is the one I pick now, and I'm going to take you straight into how you can sign up onto that. So let's talk about how to sign up for Amazon affiliate. So you go on the website amazonaffiliate.com. So it's going to show you what I highlighted, affiliateprogram.amazon.com. So yeah, because I already have an account, so I'm going to add an account and create a new account. For the purpose of this video, I'm just creating an account. I already have one. So because I have to use another email, so I created another Google account, Gmail, and then I sign up for that. So once I did that, I created the account, and then I'll head back to my Amazon where I'm going to create the account. So I fill in the information, the name, the email, password. So it's going to give you a verification, which you're going to get from your email. You put that in it, and then you have it, you create your account. So it's going to take you to the next page where you're going to start with your information. So this start with account information, where you're going to put your payee name, where you're also going to put your email, your address, and then your phone number. So once all this is filled in, you're going to hit next. Click next. It's going to give you a suggestion of address, maybe the one that is right. So you click on the one that you feel is right, and then the second stage is where you put your URL, your website. So if you don't have a website, you can use your Instagram, YouTube, anyone that you have enough followers on it. So you can use that in replace of that. So but for me, I have a website. So you can even create a website for the purpose of this, because it's something that's going to be beneficial in the long run. So you click on next. So it's going to take you to the next page where you will already have your URL, and then before then you can read this. What applies to me is no. Whatever applies to you after reading that little note, you can even learn more with the blue highlighted one. So yeah, so I click on no, and then I click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, it's going to take me to a profile page. So that profile page, this is where it gets tricky for me. It took me a day and a half to figure that out, it's so simple, and that's why I'm even making this video. So you created your Amazon ID, store ID, so associate store ID, I mean. So once you create that, you fill other information. So your website is already there. So your website is the next one. Then you write what your website is about, your mobile app is about, and then you start scrolling down. It asks you which of the following topic best describe your website. You click on whatever you feed, and then you continue to click. What types of item do you intend to sell, and it says what types of what are your website or mobile app. You click on whatever that fits also. So yeah, so I just basically fill this based on my own store. So you click that based on your store. Yeah, so basically it's just a simple thing. This one says what type of what type of Amazon item are you intending to list on your website. So you just click on the ones that you think that you want to sell. So next one, it says what are your website or mobile app? Is it comparison shop engine? Is it comparison shop engine? Is it content or niche website, coupon or deal website? You know what fits your website. And then it has a secondary type, so you can select the secondary if you want the secondary one. So yeah, then how do you drive traffic to your website? You figure that out by email, shopping portal, display ads, social media orders. Yeah, so you click on whichever that fits your store also. So then the next one says, how do you utilize your website and app to generate income? So you also gonna pick on whatever that suits you, that fits your website. For me, I said online e-commerce, retail. So that's what I choose. And then we all go down. So once you go down, I mean, it's basic information. Like I said, it's basic information. So once I fill that, I then also go down to the next one. So you also fill that out. So it said, how do you intend to utilize your website? I already filled that. Content, how do you usually build links? I said content management, and then how many total unique visitors. You had that. If you know, if you don't know, just make a guess. And then it says, which is your primary reason for joining Amazon? So for me, to get rich content on my website, how do you hear about us online? And then you enter the character, which is the last thing. And then once you enter the character, the next thing is the last one. You just click finish. That's it. So but before I click on that finish, so yeah, you click on finish, but and you agree. But before I click on that, I'm also going to show you something, because this is why I said it took me a day and a half. If I hit submit, it could let me, but when I did it the first time, it didn't let me submit just with ordinary name. I had to put a number. So I'm gonna over the words, the blue typed words over there, for you to see that once, if you're creating a password, I mean an associate ID, you should probably put a number on it. So yeah, that word I had to highlight it and show you. So this is it. You have, when you hover over that, you're gonna read the instruction on how to create an ID. So that took me a while to understand, and then I just added a number to the name. You can add any number as long as it's just a number, because Amazon is still going to generate a number for you. That's, I think, 20, because I added 5 in the front and then it generated to 20. So once I'm done with that, I just hit finish. So to recap, you should try and add a number to the name, so that way you'll be successful easily. So then I click finish, and then you're gonna see a congratulation button that says you can now start your Amazon store. So this is the last stage saying start your Amazon Associate Center now. So once you get that confirmed that you're there, so the next thing is your information, your tax information and bank information. Today's video, I hope this is well informative. I hope this is very informative to you guys. I hope you find value in this video, and if you find value in this video, please be sure to subscribe and click that notification and give this video a like, because I'll be bringing more of content like this on how to sign up for any other passive income, any other streams of income that I know that I'm also going to be part of. So I want you to share, to be part of this world of making extra money with me. That is it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next upload. Bye for now.